Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashley, and if you're new here, make sure you do click the subscribe button on the bottom of this page. Make sure you click the bell notification also so you can get notified when I do upload new videos. And if you're not following social media, my social media link, it's Makeup Artist 27. You can find it in the description down below, or you can just search Makeup Artist 27. And yeah, on today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys the new makeup collaboration BH Cosmetics did with Daisy Marquez. She's a Latina, and I'm so proud because she's a Latina, you know. Never see so many Latinas doing collaborations, and when I do, I'm like, yay. So I was so excited when she did announce that she was doing a collaboration. When I was showing, she did some sneak pictures, and I'm like, it better be a palette. And oh my goodness, it was a palette, and I fell in love. And I fell in love with the design. It's just it looks so, when you see it, you're like, oh my god, it is very small. It is a small, but the cuteness of the vanity mirror, it's like, oh my god. It has like a little mirror. It's so perfect for traveling, and I was like, oh my god, I want that. It's so cute. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing a review, a swatches, and everything you want on this video. So here is the palette, and it came with the little flyer. It says BH Daisy Marquez. This launched February 28th. Today is like almost a month. I'm so excited to finally share my palette with you all. To my flowers who have been there with me since the beginning, this one is for you. I have worked so hard to bring forth this palette, and each color has been created with you all in mind. Can't wait to see all the magic that you create with it. Love you, Daisy Marquez. BH Daisy Marquez. It's so cute, like. And if you see the makeup looks they did on her, which is Emma Mitchell, of course, the beast of makeup. So it tells you all the details and ingredients. It has 20 color shadow. It's a 20 color shadow palette. I don't know if I'm gonna do swatches on that because it has a lot of colors. But I'm gonna show you guys some swatches, not all. So this is how it looks. It looks kind of like the Tiffany and Company thing. And you open it like that. And you see it breaks into the mirror, and you can stack the mirror. And it's so pretty, don't you see that? It's so pretty. I love it. Oh my goodness, I love it. I can't put the mirror right now, but it has the little plastic, of course. So it has some matte colors and some shimmers. Love it. So these two rows are shimmer colors, and these two rows are matte colors. Let me show you like this. They are really, really pretty colors. Like, you have everything in here. You can go from colorful to something smoky. You have a bunch of stuff in here. I love it. I love how, like, the shimmers right here are really light colors that you barely see. The yellow is stunning. I've seen it. It's just unbelievable. I don't know what I'm gonna go for, but we shall see. I'm gonna do just some swatches for you guys. I'm gonna do 2 shimmers and 2 mattes. For the shimmers, I'm gonna do the blue one right there, which is Dream. Let's do that. I don't know what to do. Ooh, so pretty. It looks kind of like the packaging. So pretty. For the other shimmer, let's do the green one that's cutting. It's kind of like attracting my eye. Ooh, yes, that combination, green, kind of like that. For the other ones, let's do the yellow one, which is Flower. Let's see, I don't know how to do it. Alright, so you see it right there, really pretty. Let me do another swatch of that one. So pretty. I like it's like kind of like pastel colors. For the other one, let's do Karma, which is like this one right there. It kind of looks like red orange. It's kind of like an orange. It's called Karma. It's kind of like a red orange. See it right there. So pretty. So pretty. Pretty colors. Let me clean that out. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows with the dip brow and my Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm gonna use this NYX base. So it doesn't want to. I'm just gonna start with vintage right here. Just like a orange. Well, it is kind of like orange. That you keep moving it more upwards. I'm gonna use passion fruit, which is this one right there, and I'm using E18, which is this, like a really circle brush. Because I just wanna pop this there. Eventually, now I'm just gonna do a cut crease. A cut crease. Let's see if I find. I use this brush, which is M224, just like a normal concealer brush. I'm using a Louis base. And I want the green. Now I'm gonna use Daisy right there. It's like a mint color. So now I'm just gonna do the rest, like put the foundation and all that stuff and get together with the rest of the makeup. Okay, well guys, I am back and this is the final look. I totally love it, very different. And for the lashes, I use Lily Lashes San Diego, and for the highlighter I am using Anastasia Beverly Hills Starlight. And let's see what else I use. For the foundation, I'm using De L'Oreal. For the let's see. For the concealer, I use the Wet n Wild concealer. For the setting powder, I use the Pretty Bulgar. And that is it. Now I'm just gonna set it, and I'm just gonna use the Morphe. Yes, this is the final look using the new Daisy BH Cosmetic, and I love it. Yes, it's a really nice palette. You can do so many looks with this. I had no clue what to do. I just started doing, I don't know, combining colors, and this is what I came out with. I hope you guys like it. And yeah, if you want another look with this palette, just let me know or give me a thumbs up. And yes, I hope you guys enjoy the video. And for the lipstick, I am using the Ofra. This actually came on one of my Ipsy bags. This color is, it doesn't say. I'm trying to look for a color. It doesn't tell me a color, and I'm a color. Ipsy Unset. I don't know. It says Ipsy Unset. It doesn't tell me like a color or anything. So yeah, it's this one from Ofra. It's a really nice color actually. I like it. So yeah, I'm just gonna zoom you guys in, and yes, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. See ya.